Hello, first grade scientists, and welcome back to another science job. Our target skill for today is I can identify and describe the basic needs of animals. Today we are going to practice using what we talked about yesterday. All animals have 5 basic needs. Those needs are food, water, air, shelter, and space to grow. So, boys and girls, today what you are going to be doing is drawing a picture to show me an animal with these 5 basic needs. These 5 things that all animals need to survive. So your job, boys and girls, is to take the labels and label a picture that you have drawn. In this example, I drew a bird. My animal is a bird. What will your animal be? In my picture, I have given my bird food and water, which are 2 of the basic needs. I've given my animal or my bird a shelter. I've drawn a cave for this bird to live in. And I have shown air in my picture. Those are all of the basic needs for my animal. What animal will you choose? How will you draw their 5 basic needs? Have fun, first graders. I'll see you next time.